Hello and welcome to the Israeli Trailblazers show. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary innovation that could change the way we think about food and sustainability. Imagine eating a juicy burger, knowing that it wasn't raised on a farm or slaughtered, but cultivated in a lab. Using stem cells, scientists in Israel are leading the charge in creating real meat without the environmental footprints that traditional farming imposes. This isn't just a dietary choice, it's a climate solution. Cultivated meat represents a fusion of technology and sustainability. It's protein with a purpose, aiming to minimize emissions, reduce land use, and spare countless animals. The process begins with just a few animal cells, which are then nurtured to grow into muscle tissue, mimicking what happens in nature, but inside a sterile lab environment. No need for farmland, no need for slaughter. By shifting to lab-grown meat, we could significantly lower greenhouse gas emissions, a critical factor in combating climate change. It's not just about sustainability, but also about food security. With the global population on the rise, finding new ways to produce food is essential. So join us in exploring these cutting-edge developments that epitomize Israeli innovation. Tune into our Israeli Trailblazers podcast episode to learn more about the brilliant minds behind this breakthrough and what it means for our future. Until next time, remember, bold thinkers, big ideas, better world. The Israeli Trailblazers podcast highlights Israelis contributing to our world with cutting-edge research, innovations, and technology. The Israeli Trailblazers show is on YouTube and Apple and wherever you listen and learn in your world.